Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well guys, today was a great start to the trading week. From our weekend video, we had all green candles except for the one I warned you guys about, and that was UFAB. TUP closed up 38%, FUBO up 19%, SOFI up almost 20%, FNGR up 15%, RGTI up 13%, Tilray up 11%, ROKU up 7%, SIGA had a nice bounce at 3%, and then UFAB was down 26%. As I said in the weekend video, they had the stock going on Friday. They come out and say there's no news, no the company had no explanation for the increased share price, and they sold it. I mean, management, I guess they don't want their stock up. I guess they want to keep sandbagging their shareholders. And Tupperware TUP today, what a day today. This morning I got a comment from Joe Coyle. Do you think TUP can continue to go higher today, Monday, or is the pump over? I said, looks to be consolidating here. Tough call, not financial advice, no position, good luck. And that's what it was doing. It was consolidating right here under the $3.50 level. It could have went either way, and then it broke out. Here you can see, pull this up. So this was the pivot high, 357 that I was talking about. You had 351, and once it broke through that level, it just completely consolidated. The 360 acted as support, and then we got that power move higher to all the way to 479 by noontime. So it was just a great day. Congrats to all who made money in TUP. Joe, for commenting, I hope you made money in Tupperware today. Tupperware has become a meme stock like AMC and GameStop. There was no news last week or today to send the stock higher. It was just simply the Wall Street bets crowd squeezing the shorts. 25% of the float is short. It's one of the most talked about names on StockTwits. And again, the last we heard from the company was back in April when Tupperware's board actively engaged with the management to improve the company's capital structure and near-term liquidity. Tupperware also engaged financial advisors to assist in securing supplemental financing, and said it was in discussions with potential investors or financing partners. The company is also reviewing its real estate portfolio for properties available for potential dispositions or sale-leaseback transactions, and is exploring right-sizing efforts, monetization of fixed assets, cash management, and marketing and channel optimization to preserve or deliver additional liquidity. In terms of the chart, there was resistance at $4, and we closed above there. $4 must hold this week. FUBO, there is resistance at $3.50, watching that level. SOFI, this is a clear breakout on the charts. Wall Street liked its earnings report that came out this morning before the bell. That was the catalyst for today, and that is the catalyst that will continue to drive SOFI higher over the coming weeks. I remain bullish on SOFI. I bought it. I traded it today. I'm a trader. I like to get in, get out, make that money. I do think it's a long-term play, but I am not in SOFI right now. I am out. We'll be watching it for more trade setups going forward. FNGR closed at 592 after up 15%. There is resistance at $7, the 716 pivot high. I think we're going to go back and test that level on FNGR. RGTI. There's a lot of trendline resistance at 260. Needs a clear breakout above there for this rally to hold. If you are in, none of this is financial advice. If you are in RGTI, I'd use a trailing stop. But again, get out and look to a breakout above 260. So that is the level of I am watching on RGTI. Tilray, TLRY, the bottom looks to be in, guys. Has no resistance overhead, looks to trend higher. As I said, worst looks to be behind the company. Let's hopefully we can make a nice rally and clear out. Like I said, there's really no resistance overhead. We got gaps to fill up overhead, and I think this one is going higher over the long run. ROKU continued its rally after Friday's big move on earnings. We had better than expected earnings. This, as I said over the weekend, this shows you don't have to guess ahead of earnings. That flipping, if you're playing like Roku, you bought puts or calls. That's flipping a coin. I don't like coin flipping. I'd rather go to a casino. I'll have more fun. It's so much better. Just wait until after the report and play that momentum. Going forward this week, there's going to be a lot of earnings reports, and I think there's going to be a lot of trade setups for you guys. Tomorrow, we're getting earnings reports on Uber, Starbucks, Caterpillar, Merck, Pfizer, AMD, AIG, Altria, JetBlue, Marriott, Bloomin' Brands, Caesars Entertainment, Pinterest, Match Group, SiriusXM. Let's see what else. IGT, International Game Tech. What else? Camping World, Devon Energy, a lot of Chesapeake Energy. So these are all going to be market moving reports. So certainly pay attention. It's going to be on plenty of opportunities for trade setups over the next coming days. For tomorrow, I will be following earnings reports and also looking at these small caps. First up is Yellow, YELL. It declares bankruptcy and runs 142% today. I will be looking to short weakness. This is not going higher. It's going lower. I will be playing it from the short side. I'm not looking to own it. I didn't trade it today. So we'll be seeing if there's going to be a pullback tomorrow or this week. So we'll be watching that. We're going to get a pullback. It's declaring bankruptcy. It'll be delisted. It'll hit the OTC. And a lot of people are going to be holding a lot of bags. Nikola, NKLA, it's running into resistance right here at 275. Needs to close above $3. I talked about Nikola last week. It was a big winner for me personally as I caught the breakout through 150. So there was trendline resistance right here, broke through here. So we got that move all the way to 295, pulled back to $2, consolidated here nicely. We closed at 267. Let's see, we get above 275 and more importantly above $3, and this one will run. Next up is QUBT. This is a quantum computing play. Trendline resistance right here on the verge of a breakout. So I'll be watching this one for a move through 150. Plug, PLUG, 23% of the float is short. It just got a $22 price target, and this is another one on the verge of a breakout. GDRX. I completely missed this one today. I saw it bidding slightly higher pre-market, and then I looked at FinViz. I saw the trend line resistance, and I passed. Congrats to GDRX traders that caught today's move. It was a good day, and this rally looks set to continue. So again, congrats to those in GDRX. And guys, you can't win them all. You can't catch every move. If you miss a move, don't beat yourself up. It's going to happen. You're going to miss a lot of moves. More importantly, importantly, for me, I would rather miss a move than lose money. So that's why sometimes I hesitate, and it's just nature. I don't like losing money. Warren Buffett says rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2, read rule number 1 again. Palantir, PLTR, another major breakout today. Congrats to Long. Last week, investment firm Wedbush Securities started coverage on the stock with an outperform rating, liking it to soccer superstar Lionel Messi. As we begin the fourth industrial revolution, Palantir is engaging in the widespread trend of various industries leveraging recent generative AI innovations to streamline operations and improve expense profiles. Analyst Dan Ives wrote in an investor note. Given the company's extensive experience handling customer data, Palantir's transition to a pure-play AI name will leverage its existing expertise to drive enhancements and deliver AI solutions powered by high-quality data. So again, close at 1984. There's resistance, mental resistance at 20. Get above 20, and this one's really going to start climbing. And again, we are in the heart of earnings season, and this is when a lot of stocks are making big moves. I'll be following all these names and trading them. If you want my trade setups and ideas, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. A few stocks making moves after hours that I will be watching tomorrow. First up is ANET. Good earnings report after the bell. We will be seeing what trade setups occur. I'll be looking to play ANET options. Also, a couple of names here I forgot to add: AROC, EBS. I got WD. Yep. So I got that. So next up here is AROC. This is another one, good earnings after the bell, made new 52-week highs today, so I think this one's going to keep trending higher. I'll be watching that for a trade setup tomorrow. Next up, EBS, 17% of the float is short. News after the bell, the company was awarded a 10-year BARDA contract valued at up to a maximum of $704 million for advanced development and procurement of treatment for Ebola. So big news today, BARDA contract. Hopefully this one will get going. This one's gotten beaten up from $36 last summer all the way down to $6.88. So there is opportunity for this one to make a move, especially with 17% of the float short. Next up is WWD, another one, good earnings after the bell. Be watching that one for a trade setup. And then TTI, this is another one with good earnings after the bell. Been climbing nicely here off of the 270 lows, just every day been up. So again, I'll be looking for continuation on this one tomorrow, looking for a trade setup. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The problem is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. To get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, earnings plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.